Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a couple announcements. First, I'm going to be having a new video uploaded later on tonight. I decided to take last week off from making videos, just, spend more time with the family. That's announcement number one. There will be a new video up tonight. Announcement number two is tomorrow, with tomorrow being Halloween, I felt like I need to share I was a part of that I can't personally upload because it doesn't belong to me, but I was a part of and I want to share it with you all. Back in September, I went on a ghost investigation with a group called Midnight's Light Paranormal. I know them through one of the members who happens to also be a coworker and a friend of mine. And on that day, we went to Metamora, Indiana, and did a ghost investigation at the Pink House. And it's the video will be coming out tomorrow as the Halloween special. And when it comes out, I'm going to make just a little 10-second video that will say, yeah, here's the video. And I'm going to link it in the description so that everyone else can see the video itself. I'm going to go ahead and link Midnight Lights Paranormal, their channel here at the bottom in the description so that y'all have a chance to see some of the evidence that they have done and collected over the years. And, you can support them just as much as you support me. That's announcement number two. The third announcement is with the Halloween season coming to an end, I wanted to share with you, I will still be making videos, and they will be more or less horror themed, but with it, with Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, and everything else coming up and just starting the whole cycle over again, I will be doing probably more special effects videos and more maybe Halloween decorating videos. I haven't quite gotten as to exactly where I want to go, but I will be doing more videos throughout the whole year. That's my plan. I also plan to do a giveaway here in the next couple of months where I will be making a special item, and then I will give it to someone I will give it to someone. You'll see the making of video, and then when I'm ready to host the giveaway, I'll make a video for that later on. Now here's the thing. I don't plan to do the giveaway unless you guys help me reach about 500 subscribers. At the time of this video was made, I'm at 33, so well, I got a ways to go. I just I felt like I needed to share that. I also want to kind of throw some ideas at you as to what else I can do to make this channel, Eyes for Horror, better. One of the things that I was thinking of doing is I would like to, when they're in season, I would like to go visit haunted attractions near me and just do my personal review as to how I felt about them. I'm also the idea of reading creepypasta and other short horror stories, for you guys. I'm not 100% sure if that's something I would enjoy doing. I don't know. I've never done it before. I don't know if you guys would enjoy it. So that's just something else I'm tossing around. I'm also been thinking maybe just focusing more on decorations and special effects. I don't know. I've never actually had a channel like this. So if you have suggestions or if you want to voice your opinions as to what to do, go ahead and leave it down in the comments. I will go through them all as much as possible. So there's that. And I believe that's all the announcements I got. So thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned video, and also keep an eye out for tomorrow because I don't know when the Midnight's Light Halloween special will be premiering. So stay close to that because it's going to be a good one. We caught a lot of stuff that night, and I was told that it's going to be a fantastic video. So